Welcome to CapCut Commerce Pro. Let's create something amazing together. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to use avatars in the CapCut app. Let's get started.
We have great news for all our audience. Now you can use realistic avatars for your videos. Thanks to the CapCut editor, you will no longer worry about those tools that give you free watermarked avatars. In this video, I will show you how you can access the option to use the realistic avatars that the best-known video editor has, such as CapCut. Yes, this video editor that we use has an option, a tool that many do not know about, which is realistic avatars, completely free.
Now you have to enter the CapCut page and register. Once you have registered, go to the Magic Tool option. And look for the avatar function. A long list of different avatars will appear and a timeline in which you will be able to operate with your chosen avatar. One of the options is to be able to change the background. You can also choose which part of the body is shown. Add the text that you want your avatar to speak at the same time that you can change the voice that you like the most.
AI avatars, actors, or virtual presenters can be a powerful tool for content creation, allowing you to easily create engaging and realistic performances without the need for human actors.
Below, you will be able to see a modest editing demonstration with an avatar.
Unsolved mysteries have fascinated mankind for centuries. From the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle to the disappearance of ancient civilizations like the Mayans. These cases defy logic and continue to baffle scientists and researchers. Some, like the whereabouts of Amelia Earhart or the cryptic messages of the Voynich manuscript, have inspired theories ranging from the rational to the supernatural. Despite technological advances and new clues, these mysteries remain unsolved, maintaining their aura of intrigue and attracting those seeking answers.